Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make this cute turban wig yourself at home. It's an easy to wear turban wig, like you just wear this and you're out of the house, and it's actually very easy to make. I made this in less than an hour, and this was even because I was filming. If I wasn't filming, probably 30 minutes. So if you're interested in knowing how I ended up making this beautiful turban wig you're seeing on your video, please do not skip any part of this video and make sure you watch up until the end. If you're new to this family, please join the family by clicking the subscribe button. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. And I'm basically using this turban cap that my cousin gave me some time ago, and I am using this spandex dome cap on it because the turban cap is not double layered, and even if it was double layered, I would still use a dome cap or a wig cap inside it so that my crocheting or my extension will not directly be on the turban cap. Do you guys understand? Yes. So I'm attaching the spandex dome cap so that whatever extension that I'm using beneath my turban cap will be on the wig cap. So I'm just trying to fit it in, and just make sure that it's sitting well. Also, you would see that I place it just the way I would sit it if I was making a normal braided wig. That's how you want to do it. You don't want to turn it inside out because it will be itching your scalp. Do you guys understand? So you want to use the normal part, not the wrong side. So now I'm just unstitching my wig cap to my turban cap. So if your turban cap is double layered, it is actually very good for you because you will be sewing your wig cap to the inner layer and not to the outer layer like my own. So you might consider getting a turban cap that is double layered. Do you guys understand? Exactly. If you're new on my channel, I am ADUNNI'S and I am a lifestyle content creator based in Abuja, Nigeria. I enjoy sharing tutorials like this, and I upload my videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays. So you'll definitely be seeing this on a Wednesday, and make sure to come back on Saturday for another new upload. And you can always check my community section for any updates that I will be sharing. So I am using this watermelon braided wig that I made myself on this channel. If you have not seen the tutorial to how to make this yourself, I'll have a link up just now, and I'll also have a link in the description box. So after watching this video, you might consider going to check out how to make your own watermelon braided wigs. And guys, I was so proud of myself when I brought this out of the pack. It was so lush. So I've gone ahead to make the first line, and I use 18 strands of the watermelon braids, and I'll just be showing you guys how I am attaching my watermelon braids to my wig cap.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate.
So after doing the first 2 lines and it wasn't full enough for me, so I decided to add one extra line, and I went ahead to add one extra line, and I think I was able to get, like, I was satisfied with the amount of volume that I got. So you just want to keep going ahead, or you want to stop as long as you're satisfied with the amount of length that you have. So the volume of your turban wig depends on you, depends on your type of hair, it depends on your style. So for me, this 3 lines was okay for me, and I think in total I had 26 times 2, that's 52 plus 1, 53. I had 53 strands in total for all of my watermelon braid strand that I used. And I just showed you guys different ways to style the wig at the end of the video, and I liked it so much. It looks so beautiful. I will definitely be sharing a picture of what it looks like when I wear it on my community. Please, if you are not subscribed to my channel, kindly click the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. If you have any question, you can feel free to drop it in the comment section, or you can send me an email. My details are in the description box, and my website will be live very soon, hopefully by next month, middle of next month, thereabouts. And I just can't wait to share with you guys all the beautiful things that I have in store for my subscribers this amazing year. And I also hope you are having an amazing year. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. This is actually so beautiful. It's so beautiful. I'm so happy about the outcome. Bye guys.